So we're now going to talk about the coaching process, and we're particularly looking at field coaching. Okay, so why field coaching? Well, if you ask sales managers, how do you know your salespeople are successful? How do you know they're effective? They will tell you it's in the results. We can tell if our salespeople are effective by looking at the results. And of course that's true. However, results are a lag indicator. They tell us what's already happened. And in any event, the result the salesperson gets could actually be impacted by external influences, the market conditions, something unusual happens with a customer, a big deal comes through, or indeed a customer goes away. And actually, it's no reflection of the salesperson's behaviour. They're not doing anything different, but external influences have affected performance. However, whichever way we look at it, performance is directly linked to the behaviour of the salesperson when they're with the customer. The skill level that they have, the way they perform with the customer, the way they interact with the customer, the relationship and the rapport they build with the customer. So if we really want to understand the effectiveness of the salesperson, we've got to go out there and observe this. So we're talking about field coaching, where we accompany the salesperson on visits to the customer for the express purpose of observing and giving feedback to develop the salesperson. So we have a three-part process, and each of these steps in the process is clearly delineated. Step one is the planning process, and step two is the observation process, and then finally what we call the feedback process. So let's look at these individually.